Hi guys! We have a surprise for you. We're at the Great Laflage. It's my first hotel.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What are you most excited for?
My bed. I'm gonna show you how comfy my bed is.
Woohoo! So yeah, we got a room that has a bunk bed in it for her, but I'm excited for the water park.
Me too.
And for the buffet food.
Me too. I'm hungry.
Hungry. Say, we're gonna check in and see you in a bit.
Yep.
That's good. Robbie, yeah. That's good.
Yay!
What do you got, Mama?
We got ears!
Say cheers!
Are we the wolf pack? Oh!
Why do you have a
And
birthday
Mommy's got a
hat?
birthday hat, cause what's today?
Her birthday.
How cool is that?
Alright.
Alright.
Let's go! Here we go!
Whoa. You ready to go see your room?
Kid
Here.
camp.
Take this bracelet and push it up against the black piece. What do you think?
Good.
It's good.
Oh, there's a ladder to get up there.
Yeah, do you want to climb? Here, I'll put Bear up there for you. Go ahead.
Wait.
Check it off, take it off. So here we are, guys. This place is pretty nice. I mean, it's a hotel room, don't get me wrong, but we got a bathroom with an outside vanity here. Birthday girl. And then this is the kid camp. We didn't get the wolf's den, we got the kid camp. With a nice bunk bed in here. And their own TV, which is pretty cool. A little microwave and a mini fridge. Double bed with a couch and a balcony for, I guess, when it's warm out. This is cute. What do you think?
Good.
You gonna climb up to the top bunk?
Yeah, after I take my shoes off.
Oh, of course. Smart girl.
This is my bunk.
Yeah.
This is my bunk, you guys.
Oh, look at your light.
It's like a moon.
Yeah.
I get my own TV.
Yes, you do. How cool is that?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I get my own TV.
What? This is pretty sweet, Sophie.
This is my bunk.
Is it comfy?
I like up here. This is my bed.
Do you have some friends there on the wall?
Yeah. This one's name is Blair. Fly.
Yeah.
And this one's name is Frog-a-Lie.
Yeah.
And this one's name is Bird-a-Lie.
Bird a lot.
Sophia,
Hey.
if Daddy snores,
Oh,
this will be his bed.
I'm gonna get the bottom bunk. Are you hungry?
Yes.
You wanna go get some food?
Ah! Bear!
Bear!
What? There's an outside right there.
Oh, is that a campfire?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, is that the soap?
Yeah.
It's a wolf's paw. That's cool. cornbread. Hey, so,
What?
was your dinner good? Yeah.
I ate most of it.
Yeah. How about you, Mama? Are we doing this, Soph? Which one are we getting? Ooh. What's her name? Do you know?
No.
We don't know. Going with the shoes?
Or the swimsuits.
Or one of the swimsuits? Or the princess? Is that what we're doing? Alright, let's go fill her up.
Violet.
That's Violet, Sophia. What's your name? You say hi, Violet?
Hi, Violet. There's a Violet girl too.
This is called the Tall Pass. Tomorrow you can either color your own shirt or your own pillowcase. You get to play in the arcade for a bit. You get some candy. And you get some ice cream tomorrow.
Come here, come here.
Are you ready?
That thing.
Go take her on over. Get her filled up. Look at that. You're making the fluff come out. Alright. Good job, my baby. Alright, what do you say?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Alright.
She's all fluffed and ready to go.
You putting her nightgown on? You, yep. You want some help? You got her.
I've got it.
Alright. You're a pro at this with the twins, right?
Pro.
Here. She got big head like daddy. There you go. I'll get it over her head and you get the arms.
I'm a pro with this.
You're a pro.
Violet. Violet, I'm a pro with this.
You got it. Keep going.
Don't worry, Violet, I'm a pro with this.
Let's pull her shirt down.
Ooh, a nightgown.
Let's take her earring off.
Take her tag. All right, let's see her. That's your new
I think
friend,
the twink
huh?
smile like Reese.
Your new Violet. All right.
We're leaving this one now. Oh.
Well, that was a fun night.
Yeah,
Got a lot done.
yeah.
What'd you do?
We played and played and played.
And we ate and ate and ate.
Yeah.
All right.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Dear house out.
See you in the morning.
Good night.
Mwah. See you in the morning.